Building wealth in your 30s is a crucial step toward achieving long-term financial security and independence. One of the first steps is to establish clear financial goals. Whether you're saving for a home, planning for retirement, or building an emergency fund, having specific objectives helps you stay focused and motivated. Creating and sticking to a budget is essential. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments consistently. Developing the habit of saving early on can significantly impact your financial growth over time. Investing is a key component of wealth building. Explore various investment options such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, depending on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Consider contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA, as they offer tax advantages that can enhance your savings. Minimizing debt is also vital. Focus on paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, to free up more money for saving and investing. Building good credit can also lower borrowing costs in the future. Networking and professional development can enhance your career opportunities, potentially leading to higher income. Seek out additional training or education to advance your skills and increase your earning potential. Finally, maintaining a frugal lifestyle while still enjoying life can help you balance saving and spending. Making mindful financial choices today can set the foundation for long-lasting wealth in the future.